apologies for the video cutting out there. As you can see, the mesh head is now on. Just tightening the rim down. I generally do this just like I do with tuning a normal drum and go around in sequence so that it's fairly even. Obviously, the beauty with this as opposed to an acoustic drum is you don't actually have to tune it. So, but yeah, there is a slight bit of rippling, as I've said. It looks worse on the video because of the light, but I will do a video at some point of modifying the bearing edge. So the heads are just a little bit tighter and we get rid of that rippling. So, but there we go, they're all on. And I'll give it a quick test.